Addition and subtraction of dissimilar RAE is just the same when we add or subtract dissimilar fractions. So, ang ginagawa lang natin is kumukuha tayo ng LCD nila, kinukuha natin yung LCM, and then for us to determine the LCD. Dito naman, RAE na yung ginagawa natin. Meron ng polynomials. Ang ginagawa natin to find the LCD is we factor the denominators. 2 over x plus 3 over x plus 1. Kung mapapansin, yung denominators natin pareho, relatively prime na. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na natin sila mapfa-factor. Anong gagawin natin? So, ibig sabihin yan, yung LCD natin is madali na lang. Ang LCD niyan, we will just multiply lahat. Ito, both of the denominators. X times the quantity of x plus 1. Ito na yung kanyang LCD. Merong traditional way na kung paano kayo nagmumultiply, kung paano kayo nag-add or subtract ng dissimilar fractions. Ganun din yung ginagawa dito. So, RAE. The new LCD divided by the denominator ng first fraction or first RAE, and then times the numerator, tapos lalagay doon. And then follow the sign, and then LCD divided by denominator naman ng second RAE times yung numerator, and then yun. Saka kayo magpo-proceed na parang nag-add or subtract ng similar RAE. Pero iba yung gagawin natin. Okay? Alam ko yung iba sa inyo, ganito na rin yung ginagawa. So, ito na rin yung gagawin natin. So, ang gagawin natin, kailangan ganito yung maging denominators nila pareho. Okay, so copy the first RAE, which is 2 over x, 2 over x, and then times. Okay, ano po yung times na yan? Kasi parang goal nga natin is maging ganito din yung ating LCD. So, may x tayo dito, ang kulang na lang is x plus 1. So, anong gagawin natin? I-multiply natin yun. Both of the numerators and the denominator sa x plus 1. Bakit po ganon? Kasi, pag sinimplify natin to, it is also equal to 1. And 2 over x times 1 is also equal to 2 over x. That means, wala tayong binago sa expression. Wala tayong minagic. Next is plus. Okay, copy. The second RAE, 3 over 3x plus 1 times meron tayong x plus 1 dito, so kulang tayo ng x. So, doon natin siya i-multiply. X over x. And then, proceed. So, ito yung isang term, ito yung isang term. Okay? Multiply, simplify muna natin to, and then ito. Tapos, tsaka tayo mag-proceed sa addition or subtraction. So, yung 2 na to, i-distribute natin sa x plus 1. And then, okay, ilagay na natin. 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 1 is 2. Tapos ito, 3 times x is plus 3x. All over, ito na, yung LCD natin. X times the quantity of x plus 1. And then, combine the like terms, 2x plus 3x is 5x plus 2 all over x times the quantity of x plus 1. Now, for some teachers, considered as correct na to. Pwede na yan, factored form. Kung hindi ganyan yung gusto ng teacher nyo, sumunod kayo sa kanila, no? Okay, so pwede naman natin isi-simplify pa natin yan. Or, 5x plus 2 all over, multiply x times x is x squared, plus x times 1 is x. So, kahit alin dyan sa dalawa. Number 2, 4x all over x squared plus 2x minus 3 over x. Okay, so ito, relatively prime na, pero ito factorable. So, ibig sabihin, kunin natin yung factors niyan. Common factor, 2 terms yan, binomial. May common factor which is x. Okay, labas natin yung x. And then, x squared divided by x is x plus 2x divided by x is 2. Okay, so ito yung kanyang factors. So, we are now going to get the LCD. Ano yung LCD? Pag meron kayong nakita sa kanilang dalawa, since dalawa yung RAE natin, no? Dalawa yung expressions natin, kung meron sa kanila na pareho, kukunin lang natin yun as 1. So, ito, may x dito, kukuha na lang tayo ng isa. So, x. Tapos, may x plus 2 dito, wala namang kapartner, kunin natin yun. X plus 2. So, this is our LCD. So, ito yung gagawin natin. So, 4x over x squared plus 2x, or eto na yun di ba? Lagay ko na dito, nalagay ko x plus 2. Okay, ayan. Na-excite ako masyado. Nalagay ko na agad to. Hindi naman malito, no? Pero gusto ko kasi pakita na may factored form para mamaya makikita natin mabuti, maayos. Yung magiging kalalabasan niya. Since wala na, pareho lang naman sila, so safe na safe, same pa rin yan. Minus 3 over x, copy. Times, kasi x lang to eh. So, kailangan ito yung mangyari, denominator natin. So, multiply sa x plus 2, and then ito din sa x plus 2. Okay. Ito na lang. So, 4x. And then, itong 3, didistribute natin dyan. This is negative na, no? 3 times x is 3x. And then, ito, distribute din natin. Negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. All over, ito na muna gawin natin. X times the quantity of x plus 2. Ma'am, bakit po ganyan ang ginagawa na natin? Pwede namang ito na sulat natin. Kaya mamaya kasi, factorable yung numerator, pwede pa nating ma-simplify. Okay? Para mas madaling makita. So, 4x minus 3x is x minus 6 all over x times the quantity of x plus 2. Okay. So, yung x minus 6, relatively prime na. So, ibig sabihin, wala na rin naman pala tayong makakancel. So, pwedeng ito na yung sagot or, kung isi-simplify natin, x minus 6 all over x squared plus 2x. Number 3. So, ito, factorable. Ito, relatively prime na yan. So, i-factor natin to. This is the difference of two squares. So, ang factors niyan, isang plus, isang minus. So, square root of 4 is 2. So, this is also 2. Ayan. And then, let us find the LCD. Okay, so may x plus 2 dito, may x plus 2 dito, kuha lang tayo ng isa. X plus 2. And then, ito, walang kapartner, kunin natin siya. Okay, next, proceed. Copy the first RAE, 3x all over x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. So, wala na tayong multiply kasi kompleto na siya, no? So, ito na lang, plus 5 over x plus 2 times, ang kulang natin para maging ganito ang itsura niya is x minus 2. So, multiply both the numerator and the denominator sa x minus 2. And then, proceed. Okay, ito copy lang. So, 3x. Hindi ko muna kukopyahin yung denominator. Mamaya na lang. Plus, okay, ito, 5 times x is 5x. And then, 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Okay, and then, the denominator, which is this. The quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. Then, combine the like terms. 3x plus 5x is 8x minus 10 all over the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. Now, tingnan natin, pag finactor out ba natin yung common factor dito, meron ba makakancel? So, ang common factor is 2. Nalagay natin dito. So, 2. So, mangyayari 4x minus 5. So, obviously, wala, no? So, ibig sabihin, okay na to. Factored form or simplify 8x minus 10 all over multiply sum or difference of two terms. So, ito yung sagot niya. X squared minus 4. So, kahit alin dyan sa dalawa, and again, depende sa teacher nyo.